everybody, it is the 29th and we are finishing some of the infill framing around our columns. We're putting our drywall on, and we have a finisher on the opposite side starting the drywall finishing. So it's the 29th. We'll work the 29th till 2:30. We'll work the 30th until 2:30, and I'm going to make the request that we work the 31st if we can. Our client was nice enough to unload our drywall for us and just parked it right there. We will not be driving that equipment. We will leave it for the interior people to do, and we will make sure that our area is cleaned up. Now, I know on the 5th, we start with our heaters, and we are going to start with this heater right here. That seems to be the easiest one. What we will have to do is we are going to have the electrician on site. We'll have to have the fire suppression system put on test for the 5th through the 10th, so the following week, every day during normal business hours, because we will be draining the system down to relocate the pipe while we drop those and reinstall. So we will be putting them on test every day and reinstalling and pumping the system up every day. So other than that, that's us, and we're just a few moments away from 2026. So you all enjoy the week.